Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell that how you can use the Google Sheets. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome. So what we have to do, I'm going to search for the Google Sheets. So let's write the Google Sheets and now press the enter. So as you can see, you will see the option for the Google Sheets here. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, here are the Google Sheets. So now let's discuss about some basic options like these are the cell names as you can see. So as you can see, these are the cell names as they are in the Excel, MS Excel, and these are the names you want to select the whole. You can also select that. For example, I'm going to write the cell something here. Let's write hello, how are you? So as you can see, I have written this text, and after writing this text, you will see the option. For example, I want to make text bold and italic. If you want to make it bold and italic, and if you want to make the bold italic, these options are here. If you want to increase the size, you can also increase the size. And after that, you will get a lot of options here similar to MS Excel. It is almost similar to MS Excel. All options are similar. These are the alignments. If you want to change the alignments, you can also do that, like the center, right, left. And if you want to apply the borders, you can also apply the borders as well. Like I'm going to apply the whole borders. As you can see, the borders are applied. And you will see some details here. If you want to highlight, for example, I want to highlight this like in this way. And if you want to change the text color, for example, I'm going to change the text color. You can also change the text color. So these are the basic things about the Google Sheets, that how you can use that. So now let's discuss that how you can share this file with anyone. If you want to share this file with someone, you can also do that. So what you have to do, you have to click on the share, and after clicking on the share, you have to write the file name here. For example, I'm going to write the file name. So this is the, like I'm going to write the rough, and now we have to click on the save, and the file will be saved. So as you can see, the file is saved. So now what you have to do, you have to copy the link here, and after copying the link, you have to make it the done. And now you have to send the link to whom with you want to share the file. So in this way, you can use the Google Sheets and share your file. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.